Hello guys, welcome to Youngsters YouTube channel with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to activate your Kuwait Civil ID to your mobile application. I will start from downloading, so you can download and you can apply it to your mobile also. So let's download. I open my Apple Store. If your mobile Android, you can open your Android version, App Play Store to download this application. So I will type here in my search bar PACI Civil ID, PACI CIVIL space ID. This is the application you need to download here. Mobile ID, Kuwait mobile ID. I already downloaded it. Now I'm going to open the application. This is the application here, you can see. Now I'm opening the application. They will ask you like this: would you like to access the camera? Because you need to give your one photo, so you need to make it okay. You need to press the OK button. So it will show you something like from the beginning Arabic. So press these three lines on the left corner on the top, make it English like I did now. So keep pressing next, and while pressing you can read also the information which is you have to provide them. So I press now next. So here we can see two options. Please select the mobile ID enrollment option. I'm going to select here online registration using mobile. So here you need to give some information for your online registrations: civil ID number and your card serial number, which is beside your civil ID. As you can see here, I'm entering my now civil ID finished. Now entering my serial. Now I'm entering my passport number. If you are a Kuwaiti, you don't have to enter this passport number. If you are a non-Kuwaiti, of course you have to enter your passport number, and you need to enter your email. You must enter your email, which is you can get any information from the government in case of emergency. So you need to keep this email with you always, and mobile number, especially this mobile number should be your mobile number, and you have to agree with I hereby confirm that all my entered data is correct. We need to put the tick mark and you need to press the next button. So we are almost done here now. Take your photo, like just a selfie. Okay, I took my selfie now. So it will give it to you now one-time password to your mobile for proceed your civil ID. So this is the message which is I received from the PACI. So you can see here my number, which is 6 digits. So I'm going to enter this one-time password here. I already enter now here. Then press the button proceed with the collecting mobile ID. Now please select the pin code to protect the usage of mobile civil ID. Now you can give around 6 digits like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then confirm. Now you can see here mobile ID issued successfully. Just press the OK button. So you can see all the details after you press the OK button. See, you can see your mobile ID, your whole civil ID details now in your mobile already. And you can manage also here in this corner. You can see two buttons. Also you can see your address. You can see from the left corner these three lines you can press. You can see your more than your civil ID details. You can see from this mobile application. You can change the pin also here. Also you can cancel, you can unlock the pin also with these 3 lines on the corner left side. So here you can manage your details. So I'm done with the Kuwait mobile ID. So for my future videos you can subscribe my account Young's Tech YouTube channel. So thank you very much.